All right, we're doing a live meeting right now with CEO Ben Glinsky, Nader Kazan, our VP of Marketing, and Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, who create our products. Okay, and I've been listening to them, and boy, I'll tell you what explosive growth we're still having. Okay, because today is February 6th of 2025. So, as far as just a kind of short and sweet review of Live Good, things are still doing well. You know, we're signing up about 15,000 people per week still, and it's worldwide. Don't think it's saturated. Okay, we're here in America. Most of the growth, Asia. All right, we knew Japan and India and China were just gonna kick some butt with Live Good. Okay, it's no secret. There's billions and billions over there. Okay, but we have like 400 million here in America, and we're doing pretty darn good. All right, Canada, Mexico, Australia, New Zealand, Africa. We're a worldwide company. Okay, what I like about Live Good is it's affordable. It's $10 a month if you want to buy wholesale, and you don't have to be a member to buy our products. Remember that. You can go to Walmart.com, Amazon.com. You can also go to Live Good and just buy. You got 3 months, 90 days to get your money back. All right? It's cake. See all those products on my fridge right there? I could have bought those things almost 2.5 months ago, and I forget they're even there. And you know what? If I just want to go down to the UPS store or the post office or FedEx, just send them back to Jupiter, Florida, and get all my money back on every single product that I bought less than 90 days ago. All right? 3 months. Crazy, right? Organic. All right, we have the most expensive ingredients, but we're the cheapest health food product company because we are wholesale based. We're usually 30 to 50 to 70% off of any product that you're going to find online. So you're going to think, well, since we're more affordable, are the products, are they filler? Is it kind of a white label bleh ingredients that are kind of leftovers from 2 years ago that we just put in a white container and sell for 70% off? No, it's not that way at all. Our products they're fresh, they're organic, okay? And I think 99.9% of the products are made right here in America, which is kind of cool for us Americanos, okay? All right, you want to be an affiliate? It's $40 one time. How much? Two $20 bills. If I had two 20s right here, I'd just hold them up to my camera and I'd rub them on my cheeks for good luck. And I don't regret at all becoming an affiliate because I didn't know I'd be any good at this. But right now I'm holding in there at number 27 in the company out of 1.7 million members and affiliates worldwide. So I'm pretty happy. I've signed up well over 400 people now. And all I do is just little reviews like this. I talk about the opportunity, and I always invite people to this link. So if you look at the center of your screen, joincory.com, click this, and go to the Live Good capture page. I want you to watch the video right there. And then if you want more information, put your name and email. Click the Reserve My Position Now. Or if you want to join, do the same thing. Open up your Live Good email and just follow the instructions. Get your username, password. You can join with Visa, debit card, MasterCard. We even take cryptocurrency. A lot of countries out there, they just don't have banks on every corner like I do here in America. So you guys just take your time and watch this YouTube video, okay? I know that within 20 to 30 seconds, you can tell if you're really into Live Good at all, okay? And this video is already made. You don't have to do a video like this, guys. If you're shy or you're an introvert, is that what it's called? If you hate your voice, if you don't like your giant forehead, if you think you look fat, okay, everyone's like, oh, I hate video. Don't worry about it. Some of our highest paid, most successful people in Live Good, they don't even do video. But we'll get you on email. How about posting on social media? Making it fun. Short, sweet. Just invite people, please. If you join me, I'm going to send you an email. And it's only one page of exactly what I do to rock and roll and pay for all this crazy stuff on my walls, okay? I know you can do this. Products are amazing. The affiliate opportunity is awesome. It's $10 a month, $40 one-time fee to activate the website and be an affiliate, and that's it, okay? So if you don't mind, let me show you my business card I made. There it is, guys. Okay? On a street level, that's all I do, too, is just hand out a business card. I never talk about Live Good in person, ever. All right. If we meet, we're going to talk about Harley Davidsons or toys or Hot Wheels or something fun or maybe the Super Bowl in a couple days. But this is what I do. Go to joincory.com and that's it. I let video do everything. Everything. And I think you're going to do the same because you want to rock. Okay, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address. You can email me anytime, guys. I'm not shy. Okay, and if I can help you out, I sure will. All right, guys. Thanks again, and hopefully you'll watch my video coming up right now. All right, take care. Bye.